Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate realistic faces with AI guys. So this website is called thispersonisnotexist.com. You can just search it on Google. It's basically a random face generator, okay? It's called thispersondoesnotexist.com. So you can generate, photos of anything like a male, female, ages, different ages, the ethnicities. So if you want a child, a man, or a female, you can generate anything, guys. So this person doesn't actually exist; they're actually AI generated. And you can download these pictures. For example, I'm going to choose, guys. Let's choose male. Let's make the male. Let's make it 2635 ethnicity. We're going to choose Asian, and we're going to refresh. Let's see how this works out, guys. Let's see if we get an Asian male that is 26, 35 years old. That is a pretty good one, guys. Wow. Okay. Okay. Now let's do black. Let's see. Let's do black male, 26 to 35. You see, sometimes this happens. This is AI generated. Sometimes these things happen. What you want to just do is refresh. In that case, look, we're gonna refresh this image. I'm also gonna show you how to download these images. So we are gonna be refreshing, and so we get a different person who is actually black, 26 to 35, and male. This is much better. He does look a bit on the younger side, but I guess there are other men who are black and they look like this. That is actually true. Okay, now we're gonna choose female. We're gonna choose 19 to 25. Actually, just let's get a child and let's make them Indian. Let's see. Refresh image, and let's see how this does. Okay, guys. That is pretty realistic, actually. That is pretty realistic. Okay, yeah, this is pretty good. So, that's pretty good. We're gonna do one last one, guys, and then I'm gonna show you how to Middle Eastern male 35 to 50. We're gonna download this image, guys, after we generate this random person. This is a female. Okay, this is pretty realistic, guys. 35 to 50 female was Middle Eastern. So if you want to download this image, all you want to do is click on download for free. And if you want to use for your project without any watermark, this will be exclusive use. This will never be generated again to anyone else without any watermark. You have to pay $14.95. But if you want to download for free, it will come with a watermark. You can just download it. Just click on download for free, and it will start downloading automatically, guys. Literally that easy and simple. So let me show you after you just start downloading. I'm going to show you the image, basically. Look at this, guys. So you come here. You're going to be redirected to this page right here, and then what you want to do is basically we're going to be clicking on download right here, guys. So let me. Alright, guys, all you need to do now is click on a download here, the download button, and then you wait like 14 seconds, about 15 seconds, and it's gonna start downloading. Let me get back to you. Alright, guys, about 3 seconds left, and it should be downloading. Okay, now it has started downloading, and it's gonna pop up right here that it has downloaded the image. Right, here we go, guys. Let's check out the image in a new tab. I'm gonna open it up in a new tab right here and show you how the image is gonna look. All right, this is the download. I'm gonna put this in here. Let's check out the image, guys. Perfect. This looks pretty good. It's high quality. If you don't want the watermark, guys, what you can do is you can just crop the image until here. Okay, so the watermark will not actually exist. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and if you need any help, you can just comment down below. I'll actually help you out. And until next time, guys.